Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can increase our usable RAM in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, let me go to settings and show you how much usable RAM I have. You can go to system, scroll down to the bottom, and in the about section you can see the installed RAM, that is 16 GB, and the 15.7 GB of it is usable. So I have already fixed this, so I have most of it usable. Let's see how you can increase this in your case. First, press your Windows key and type settings. Go to system, scroll down, go to about, and click on advanced system settings. Here, click on advanced tab if you're not here, and click on settings. Click on advanced, and here, as you can see, total paging file size for all drives is 3712 MB. You need to change this, so click on change. And if you are already pre-selected this thing, automatically manage paging file, just uncheck this, and now we need to remove the paging files. So what you can do is click on C drive and click on no paging file and click on set. Click yes now. Do the same for D drive, and if it is already set to no paging file, leave it as it is. Click on OK. Click on OK again and click on OK. Now you can again click on this advanced system settings and click on settings again to see if the changes have taken effect. As you can see, we have no paging file in both the drives. If you have more drives, you can do the same for all. Now, once this is done, one more thing you can do is press Windows and R and type msconfig. Hit enter and the system configuration will open up. Now click on boot and click on advanced options. Here you can set the maximum memory to the max memory. So this is in MB. So if you want to have 4 GB of memory available as RAM, what you can do is, let me just open up calculator. What you can do is multiply 1024 by the number of GB that you want. So if you want to have 4 GB as your maximum memory, enter 4. So it's 4096, right? You can enter 4096 if that is the maximum memory that you want to be available. But I want it to be 16 GB, right? So I'll do 16 into 1024. Okay, so it's 16384 and it is set to 16384. In your case, if you want it to be maximum of 8 GB, just multiply 8 to 1024. So the number is 1024, and 1024 is actually 1 GB of RAM. 1024 MB equals 1 GB. Okay, so now that you have done both of these things, just restart your PC and you will have more RAM available for usage. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.